Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I'm going to do another Plan With Me video. I've got a little bit of a new setup going on, so definitely let me know how you like this. You should have seen this setup in a few videos by the time you see this one, but I think I only asked in one of them how you guys like it. So this is the last week in February, and we are doing a Plan With Me based on the Lovebird set from Boulderbon, which is super, super cute. So let's go ahead and get started. And we can put down the bottom washi. That's a nice easy way to get started. There we go. I think this kit's so cute. I love the blush color. It's just precious. And then I'm going to use the sidebar sticker she included as well. I'm going to line it up with the bottom. And hopefully that's straight. I guess we'll find out. There we go. And I already know I'm going to attract my TV shows over there. So I'm going to put this, oh, the TV is a little big. Maybe I can cut it. Oh crap, where are my scissors? I didn't prepare and bring my scissors over here. Okay, I've got my scissors. I'm just going to cut this TV sticker down quite a bit. Okay. And stick that right there. Oh, that's not centered whatsoever. Let's try that again. Yeah, good enough. And then I'm also going to track mail over here. So I'm just going to put that right there. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do here just yet, but think of something. You know. So let's go ahead and put our date covers on. I don't think they're actually going to match very well. Let's save these. Maybe I won't want to do that. We'll find out. But we can put down our last Celebrate the Day, which is February 22nd, Walk the Dog Day. I don't have a dog, so won't be doing that, but whatever. And then we have headers we can go ahead and put on. But actually, I was thinking of doing things reversed this week and doing the littles up top. So let's just go ahead and see how that will go. So I'm going to use the tidbit stickers for the little things. It's actually kind of crooked, isn't it? Let's fix it. These are just the most deep, pretty reddish purple color. Oh, really crooked. Let's fix that. And actually, let me smooth this out. I just felt an air bubble down there. Okay, so first thing I'm going to mark is meal planning. So I have these stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll make one of them work. These from Planning Rocket that I'm going to put in because they kind of match the colors here. Okay. Cute. And I don't have any hydrate stickers that match this color scheme very well, so I'm just not going to do them. But I do have some gym stickers to throw in, or just some workout stickers. These are from Sweet Kawaii Design. No, not Thursday. Okay. That should be good. Yeah. And then I'm also paid on this Friday. I'm going to use this $sign sticker from Scribble Prints Co. to mark that. And I will want to pay my credit card that day as well. So I'm going to use a bill due sticker from Scribble Prints Co. for that. And then there is a credit card sticker on the sampler sheet that coordinates with this kit. So I'm just going to stick that right on there. Perfect. Very, very perfect. And then I have a birthday to mark. And the ERIN CONDREN stickers should work perfectly with this color scheme. The birthday is on Sunday. And it's my grandpa's birthday. None of these really work. I'm just gonna use these and make them work. Oh jeez, why isn't this coming up? There we go. There we go. Oh, there weren't any balloon stickers on here, were there? I don't think there are. Let me double check now. And then I also want to mark to do laundry on Sunday. I'll put this little hanger sticker next to it as well, because I'm going to have to hang everything up afterwards. And I think that's good for now. Yeah. So then after that, I think I'll do my to-do section. Oh, actually, let me put this sticker here while I'm thinking about it. The little scale sticker, I'll put that down there where I usually put it. Now, should I do my to-do section next, or should I do my work section next? No, let's go ahead and do to-dos. I'm not going to be left with very much room for work. But actually, I guess if there's anything else to add to the details of the day, I will just fill it up in the tidbits section. I forgot to grab work headers, actually. Maybe I can find a way to mark that differently. Or I'll just use the today stickers and know which days I work, whatever. It's weird seeing things like this. This is like out of place normally for me. But I think it's good to mix things up. I can never get checklists down right. I'm always putting them down crooked. See, that's crooked. Good enough. My phone's like going off. My friend Megan is texting me asking how my morning is going. Isn't that sweet? It's a delightful morning anytime I get to wake up and film for you guys. Am I full of shit? Do you believe me? No, I love filming. Austin really likes to sleep in on the weekends, so for me, this is the perfect way to spend my morning. What time is it actually? Oh my god, it's only 11:30. I got up so early today. I can't help it. I fell asleep on the couch last night so early. Austin actually somehow managed to wake me up long enough to get me into the bedroom and in the bed. But I just fell asleep so early. I must have been really worn out. Which is funny because I actually slept in like a lot yesterday. So there is that. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and use the today headers and not worry about having work headers this time. So let me grab those. Off, isn't it? I'm concentrating so hard on these headers, it's kind of difficult to see where exactly I'm lining them up in this new setup. Okay, so that's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Now I need to go in with my full boxes, which this is like my favorite part. I love full boxes. Actually, first I want to use these little rounded washi strips, and I don't know if I want to put them on the bottom or the top. Let's see. These are repositionable stickers, so we do have a little bit of leeway to work with. Oh jeez, if I could actually stick the thing down though. Yeah, you know, I think I like it on the bottom. Oh, I could have put it up top too. Oh well, I already really like it on the bottom. There we go. Now I'm going to put in the full boxes. Now maybe I'll put these two open ones or blanked out ones on the weekend. And actually, I think I'm going to move this little scale and put my weekend banner down at the very bottom. Put the little scale right there. Okay, I like that. I like it. Put in a few of these little decorative stickers. Stickers are so little, hard to handle. That's really cute. Oh gosh, I know I'm getting ahead of myself decorating before I've even got everything done, but it's so cute. Completely forgot to put in these watering stickers. Let's see, I watered Saturday last. Let's do Wednesday. And Saturday. Oh, that's so crooked. Let's try that one more again. Oh goodness, okay. After I beat up the page. Oh, I did it again. I freaking did it again. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to put one of these plan stickers up on Saturday too. These are from Oh So Pretty paper. And then from the planner workshop, I'm just going to accent with this little planner sticker. Super cute. Okay, so next, let's go in. Well, first of all, there's 2 of this print and 2 of this heart print. So let's make sure we stick them over here so that we don't end up with 2 on the same page. And then, which one do I want in the corner? I think I want the hearts in the corner. So go ahead and put this one here. This is not lining up well. Here we go. And then these dots. And then this one. And then we'll cover up the thankful thought. I keep getting distracted from a text message. My mom and my brother are in a group message and they keep texting. So, okay, let's get ourselves together here, shall we? Next couple of items are meetings for work. So, let's go ahead and put those down. One thing Monday. Two things on Tuesday. And one thing on Wednesday so far. Totally not putting these down straight, whatever. And the thing on Wednesday is a call. So I found these little leftover stickers I had for my kit from Two Little Bees. They kind of match perfectly. Cute little phone. And then I have these paper clip stickers. from Planning Rocket that are really cute and kind of match as well for my meetings. Adorable. I've got just a little bit of room left over here on the sidebar, so I'm going to fill in with this habit sticker. And actually I'm going to line up this top box a little better to match up with the rest of them. There we go. Perfect. Actually, I'm just going to put both of the habit stickers down. I don't know exactly what I'll use them for just yet, but we'll figure that out. I am filming this way ahead of time because I want to get really stocked up on videos because I've got a busy month ahead of me. And I want to use some of these decorative items. I'm going to use this cute little camera right here, and then I'm going to put these two birds over here. Super cute. Oh, I love them. And then I've just got little decorative flags too I can use over the course of this spread. So I think that's it. I might go ahead and fill in with these. I don't know, what do you think? They're kind of bright. I might just leave the 22 and then put the day stickers on. Yeah, I kind of like that better. Yeah, I definitely like that better. The red was kind of throwing me off. I can deal with the light pink. Just don't like the red. Okay, so I'm not going to bother filling in with writing just yet. Oh, I forgot about those two things on the sidebar. What can I use for those? Let's see. I could do one of them as a weekly to-do. Just items I need to get done that week. And then I guess the other one can just be like goals. We'll just write goals on there. Goals for the week. I don't think I'm going to bother filling in with writing and coming back. I think this is good enough because I just got meetings. That's the only thing I need to write down. They're the same meetings I have every week, so no biggie. And yeah, I think I really like this spread. So if you do too, you can give it a thumbs up. I was really nervous about switching up the order of things, but I think it looks really cute. And it's kind of like refreshing to see things in a different order. It really like makes you think, is this a better layout for me? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. So if you did enjoy this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can definitely do that and hit that subscribe button. I will go ahead and link to all of the shops used here down below. Actually, how many did I use? I counted last time, so let's count again because that was fun. So I used Boulderbon, that's 1. Sweet Kawaii Design, that's 2. Planning Rocket, that's 3. 2 Little Bees, that's 4. Libby & Co., that's 5. Sweet Kawaii Design, that's 6. Planner Workshop, and Oh So Pretty Paper, 7, 8. Left and Olive, 9. Used 9 different shops. Can't believe I used that many different shops. It looks like it's almost all Boulderbon. It's crazy. Anyway, let me show you what I'll be using next week. I'll be using this set from Sweet Kawaii Design for next week's spread. And I have like a little decorative sheet from the Glam Planner, which I left over in the binder. And I think I'm going to start out with these cute little date covers from Sweet Kawaii Design. And actually, I could probably mix in a couple of those cute little hearts, the blank ones, because that kind of matches this color. That's a good idea. Boom, doing that. Love it. And that's all I wanted to tell you guys. So I'll talk to you all later. Bye.